The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Big up, I see. Alright, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you. And the first video that I'm going to present to you, in this video, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person complained about a furniture that she bought from a business establishment that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. The person also shows parts of the furniture in my point of view, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And I want to take a good look at this video and tell me what you think. Alright? Now, some harsh language had been used in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
I want to take a good look. Right? Look here. October 22, me buy the bed here. October 22, me buy the bed here. In the Indian man, right beside top mat. And Montego Bay, St. James.
October 22, look away, me people.
October 22. Me realize that the bed a sink. So me I say, we look like one eye board broke. But come, me can't find a receipt. Me say, me go just nail up because you know make no sense. Me go down there because them a go say they want receipt this that and they never know what. You know see the ants them. You know if you know see them. You know if you know see them. You know look on the board them underneath the bed. Look you know. Look carefully. Right? And then when me pull down the blue something from Anaika, one blue something when wrappy, me realize that the board here broke. Look, and me just nail it a while ago. You see the big nail that were in between there so? And the nail that then use and nail the bed. So as you sit down on the bed broke. Right?
So that make?
And me just nail this and nail it right here so. This, yeah, and me just nail there. But when me tear off this something and look imagine we pour, you know, and we not have it. Look on the board them where them put on our bed. See this one you done so broken a two. See it there? And a bed where people are fuck pan. See it there? And my little sister alone sleep on the bed. Not even me no lie down pan it. Cause me know me heavy. You understand? But look on the blood clot rotten board them underneath the bed yeah so. Me not even blame the Indian man, me I blame the bumbo clots somebody will sell him the blood clot bed for sell back poor people. Look here, the piece of sitting there ground, me just tear down from on bed. October 22, me buy it, you know. October 22, 2020, blood clot 1. You understand? Today the 12. Today the blood clot 12 of November. You look here. You look. You understand? Me a hard working smaddy. I me no walk and beg. You understand? I me know say it's cheap, but good God of grace. You look here. I don't know if you know see the ants them and you out the blood clot board. And you can't tell me say upper for me the ants them. Them look if you see the condition of the board, you know say whoever build the bed not even did creep off the blood clot piece of board. Where they use. You can't wicked to pussy clot poor people so. Look here. Look here, what them here? What them there? Me just tear off the blue something where wrap the blood clot bed. Look on the board. October 22 me buy. No water now catch it from me buy till now. The bed could have rotten so. Thank you God Almighty, truth of God love. Yeah, me can't find the receipt.
Well, my people, if I one of my ex-girlfriend ever sit down on that the bed there, see? Powder way. Yeah, alright, so my people, I only hope that whoever made that video don't take the things that I'm about to say the wrong way, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah, I only hope that the person don't take anything that I'm about to say as any form of disrespect. But the person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said that the person somehow lost the receipt for the bed that the person talked about in the video that I just presented to you. You see me? Now, the things that I'm about to say, I think they are common knowledge. But whenever you buy anything from any business establishment out there, see, make sure you get a receipt and don't be too quick to throw away the receipt. You see, I'm not talk about like fast food and them thing there, even though it's still good for hold on by your receipt for fast food because the food can spoil or something can wrong with the food or you can find something in the food. You understand what I'm saying, my people? But don't be too quick to throw away your receipt for anything that you buy anywhere out there, like a store or business establishment then. You see me? Tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right, my people. Yeah, tell me if I am wrong or if I'm right. But me just I tell you what I think. You see what I say, my people? Now, when we look on the video in the version subscribers, those pieces of woods, they don't look like them treated. You see me I say, I'm not too like mention the word there because you have some people who love come and say, why dancehall skilla? You say word, you say woods, you say woods. The video show pieces of woods. You understand? Yes, the video show pieces of woods. See? So, in my point of view, those pieces of woods shown in that video don't look like them treated. Them don't look like them soaking a certain form of, you know, what I call that now? Substance or, you know, the thing that them put on woods to treat it from being eaten by termites and ants. Yeah, those pieces of wood shown in that video that I just presented to you, then they don't look like them treated. Construction workers, cabinet makers might understand the things that I just said when it comes on to the whole treated of woods thing. You understand? You know, but I like to ask you, my viewers and subscribers, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like that? Now remember, the person said that the person can't find the receipt, and that the person saying in the video or said some things that gave me that understanding, you see? So what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like that, my people, you see? Yeah, so my best advice, whenever you buy anything at all from any stores out there, no matter where you are in the world, do not be too quick to throw away your receipt, and make sure that you get a receipt too for whatsoever you're buying or whatsoever you buy. You understand? Anyways, my people, yeah, let me know what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers, alright? Alright, now my people, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are going to show a type of vehicle. I don't know if I should call this vehicle a motorcycle or a motor bicycle or just a bicycle. I don't know what to call this vehicle. But however, these pieces of videos shows a vehicle that had been designed by a person shown in these pieces of videos. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to tell me what you think about these pieces of videos that I'm about to present to you. I want you to tell me, what would you call this vehicle shown in these pieces of videos, viewers and subscribers? Would you call it a bicycle or a motor bicycle or a motorcycle or what? Tell me what you think, alright? Alright, now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe with me.
We have a music system and everything too. It's alright, start it again, let me see. Start it again. Button press bike. Remember the first in our history. Yeah man, watch there. See that? Whoa! Light up! Whoa!
No, sir.
No, sir! What I say? Yeah man, the phone all a charge.
Yeah?
Yeah man. No, sir. Whoa!
Oh, man.
So, how you ride it now?
I'm talented.
Say, Jano.
The people, and a real still, from a motor, I say, is a motor bicycle or a motorcycle still. Because you have a motor.
What you not say?
No, brother.
Say, remote too.
All alarm.
Let me tell you.
No, my people, it's stylish. It's stylish. It's stylish. You see me? Charger pan it. Can charge all your phone. No man, it's stylish. It look good. Me like it. Me like it. Me I wonder if it really and truly what me say, ride or drive good, like how it look. Me don't even know what to say. My people, me don't know what to say about this vehicle. Only thing me can say is that it is a vehicle. But I don't know what. I don't know what to directly call it, the people. It look good. Me like how it look. You see me I say, I wonder if I forget license for ride all that on the road. All kind of things I wonder. Big up the person who designed that vehicle right there. Yeah, some people call it a vehicle. So big up whoever made that. You see me I say, yeah, big him up. Good idea. That person that really and truly have talent. So big him up. You see me I say, alright, so yeah, so I'm going to left it number people. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla entertainment.